Want CapCut Pro features without paying a cent? Here's how to do it in seconds. First, open CapCut. Go to Settings here. In the Save To, change the folder to something simple like Documents. Now create your project. Import your clips. Add anything pro you want. Music, stickers, effects, even the pro-only stuff. When you're done, select the whole timeline and right-click and click Create Combined Clip. Then right-click again and click Pre-Process Clip. Wait till it's done. Now go to your folder Documents. Open CapCut Draft. Make sure you open the correct project. Resources and Combination. Et voila! Your video is there. No watermark, all pro features totally free. Like and follow for more editing hacks.